the preseason AP poll for Division I men's basketball has been released. Kansas with 30 first place votes, Alabama with 14 first place votes, UConn with 11 first place votes, Houston with 4 first place votes, Iowa State, Gonzaga with 1 first place vote, Duke, Baylor, North Carolina, Arizona, Auburn, Tennessee, Texas A&M, Purdue, Creighton, Arkansas, Indiana, Marquette, Texas, Cincinnati, Florida, UCLA, Kentucky, Ole Miss, and Rutgers. There are several receiving vote teams, and it goes as follows. Illinois with 92, St. John's with 91, Xavier with 73, Texas Tech with 58, Wake Forest with 37, Kansas State with 30, Ohio State with 29, Michigan State with 29, Michigan with 19, BYU with 14, Oregon with 12, Miami, Florida with 11, Mississippi State with 11, Providence with 9, Clemson with 9, St. Louis with 9, Boise State with 9, VCU with 6, Mississippi State with 6, St. Mary's with 5, Wisconsin with 5, Louisville with 4, UAB with 4, Grand Canyon University with 3, Arkansas Little Rock with 3, Princeton with 2, San Diego State with 2, Arizona State with 2, High Point with 1, and Maryland with 1. And I'm just going to go right ahead and mention some top 25 matchups in Week 1 Division I men's basketball, which starts on November 4th through 10th. Just to get that out of the way. And I get some of these games don't have times yet, according to ESPN, when in actuality, when you go to the teams' websites, some of them do. I mean, for example, number 8 Baylor versus number 6 Gonzaga in Spokane, Washington, in a neutral arena that is not in Gonzaga's arena. I'm going to just call it the way it is. It is a road game, and the game will be played at 10:30 p.m. Central Time on ESPN2. So what are some other games? Yeah, not really a lot of them when you look at it. I mean, nothing on November 5th, nothing on November 6th, not anything on November 7th. In terms of top 25, maybe top 25 versus the receiving votes, but that's a different story here. Okay, here's one right here. Number 9 North Carolina. Try to double check this real fast. I think it's a neutral site against number 1 Kansas. Actually, it's at Kansas. Ooh, man, that's a great game right there. Besides the Gonzaga game, that's obviously a great game. I want to double check because sometimes they do have like neutral site games early on, and there's actually another neutral site game which will be played at 6:30 p.m. Central Time on ESPNU, and I know that for a fact because Baylor's website shows it's number 16 Arkansas versus number 8 Baylor and American Airlines Arena. And there's another game, number 11 Auburn versus number 4 Houston. I do not know the time of that game on top of my head, but I know it will be on Toyota Center in Houston, Texas. So I'm going to just call it the way it is. It's a road game for Auburn. That's the more proper way of saying it. And there's no other game. So now my preseason top 10 in Division I men's basketball goes as follows. It's similar. Kansas, UConn, Alabama, Houston, Iowa State, Baylor, Gonzaga, Duke, North Carolina, Arizona. Now, outside looking at it, there's no particular order on this. Auburn, Tennessee, Texas A&M, Purdue, Creighton, Arkansas, Indiana, Indiana and Marquette. If you want to include Marquette, that is. But after that, you gotta include them. And I will go over like the bracketology stuff when it really matters, like in February. It's no sense in going over it now. I mean, and when I gets to that point though, I'll do like how many quality games, including like those next 4 out teams. I mean, even including those besides the games that not listed like that. Like, let's just say like a very bad team versus you're on the bubble team. I'm not going to mention that game. So just to let y'all know down the line on all this. So anyways, if you like this content, hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys later. On the road to 7 subscribers. Of course, ultimate goal is 1,000 more. So we might not discourse like a video. Comment video really helps the YouTube algorithm. Some more people see it. Sharing the video does help as well. So more people could watch. And if you're watching and subscribe, hit subscribe button. It's free. The notification bell as well. And I will update this when the real games began here. And I'm not going to go over that coaches poll either, because it's more like the AP poll that I am more focused on instead of the coaches for basketball in general.